Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Mir Panchuria and I am the student of the first year of Astana Medical University from the Kazakhstan and my group number is 159A. Today we will discuss about the intradermal injection. Intradermal injection it's also called the ID injection and I also tell you about the which procedure you do and which equipment do you need in this process, which site, which puncture site and also others information which is important in this process. Let's start. First, which side do you need in which puncture side do you select? First side is generally all of doctor is select is hand side because it here this layer is very thin. So intradermal injection is easily insert this side and sometimes second puncture side is our leg but generally use a hand. uh, which equipment do you need in this process? First one is a gloves, second one is alcohol balls, third one is a syringe and fourth one is a sanitizer. Let's start the procedure. First, patient position. Take a seat and tell the yourself and tell also about the procedure, how to do the procedure, and it is not a painful, it is a painless treatment, so don't be panic, don't worry, it is very easy process. And after, first we clean our hand with warm water and other hygiene product and also use a sanitizer and wear a gloves. After wear a gloves, choose any puncture side like hand. Because in this process we choose a very thin layer of the puncture side, so we generally choose a hand side. I've already tell you about first and after this is the syringe. After the syringe, take a syringe and check the drugs, and sometimes drug has a bubble, so you can press this side and remove the bubbles and check the needles. After, choose a 1% puncture side and you clean the puncture side area. After the clean, dry for the 30 minute, and after the clinic don't touch. You sometimes you touch, so you do this process again. Interdermal injection, it means needle insert into the 10 to 15 angle. Why 10 to 15 angle? It means our interdermal injection in needle is insert to the our first layer. It means skin first layer. Our skin first layer is very thin, so insert the needle at the 10 layer. Remove the cap and here choose a side, and this is very slowly do because this is our screen, so you generally like this type insert. So here you can insert the needle not a deeply, only a 30 angle like this. It means up and side. Don't insert needle put deeply. And after, insert the drug slowly. In the other hand, take alcohol rubs and put here puncture side, and remove the needle slowly, and tell the patient press the 13 to 15 second, and after don't massage it. And after this process, remove the needle and take a put the syringe, and remove the gloves, and performing the head hygiene. It is necessary after do this process. So it is the process of intradermal injection. Thank you.